Hey everybody, it's Hockey Card Nico doing a box break of Topps Finest MLB. Not my usual sport box break, but I like to switch it up once in a blue moon. Apparently it's 2 boxes of 5 packs each, no 6 packs each. And you're supposed to get 2 auto rookie patch cards per mini box. So here we go. Alright, first mini box. Alright, let's see what this stuff's got. Alright, first pack we got, looks like all base. Pretty nice looking cards. A little glossy. Next pack, we got a Ryan Braun Emerald refractor, number to 299, 144 of 299 Emerald. Alright. Oh, looks like all base there. We got a Brandon Inge, can't remember, refractor, another green one, number to 99, 34 of 99, base. Alright, last 2 packs for this mini box. Okay, I guess they put it in the last pack. Alright, looks like all base, and this should be the jersey pack for the first one. Alright, who do we get? Daniel McCutchen, number to 75, 40 of 75, autographed letter patch card from Pittsburgh, I think. Pirates. Awesome. On to the next box. Base there. Can you imagine from the set you'd get more better cards here, but alright, it's a Billy Butler, number to 299, refractor card. Yeah. Oh, base. Probably get 1 redemption in every pack, in every box. Oh, they gave me 2 redemption cards.